Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox an order of Haworthias I got from zensibility.com. Got these off the internet, and I'm going to open up with you so you can see what I see. Alright, let's go. Let's open it up. Also trying out a new microphone, so the sound should be a lot better than previously. Okay, first thing I see here is a card. Thank you for your Zensibility purchase. Okay, nice card. Good touch there. Here's my order. Now let's dig in and see what we got. Okay. Oh, everything's packed well individually. This is my Haworthia attenuata, also known as the zebra plant. So let's see what that's like. Oh. Okay, looks good. So these plants are apparently shipped bare root without a pot. Pretty good size on there. Yeah. Like that. Okay, let's put that over here. Here is Haworthia cuspidata. Didn't have one of those. Let's see what we got there. Okay. All right. Haworthia cuspidata. Lots of roots. Lots of big, thick roots on there too. Okay, let's set this one over here. Alright. This one is the Haworthiopsis glauca, variation Hurrii. Probably saying that wrong, but I don't know. Hurrii? Let's see what this one is. Oh, this was a cluster. Got a few of them in there. Yeah, very nice. Looks like I got a main plant with 4 offsets. Okay, let's put that over here. Next is Haworthia attenuata Enon. Oh, okay. This one's a little different looking for an attenuata. Okay. There you go. And what's this one? Oh, this is a special bonus gift. It looks like it's a cutting. Let's see what we got. I think this was just oh, okay. Some succulents. Cuttings, thank you very much. I was not expecting that, but I will root those, or try to root them. Let's see if they will make it. Okay, and this one was going to be a fairly large cluster of Haworthia mirabilis. Okay, from the picture, if it's the same one I saw online, it may not be the exact same one, but it's a fairly crowded cluster. So should be able to get, oh yeah, quite a few of them off. Assuming I break it up. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, that's, there's lots on there. You see that okay? Lots of plants on there. I'm not sure if I'm going to separate them or maybe just keep it as a cluster like that. I'm not sure. Okay. Well, there's what I got, guys. Let me gather up some potting material, and I will be back, and we'll pot these up. Okay, we're back. So let's go ahead and start potting up some of these. Let me go ahead and grab one of these little pots. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this one. The Haworthia glauca. I like this cluster. I like this type of clumping plant. I mean, it's good for getting offsets for starting other plants, or just kind of like the way the clumpers look. Okay. Get some of those dead leaves out of there. Get some of this old soil off. These came really, really dry. I don't know how long it's been since they've been watered, but you know, as we know, they don't really need a lot anyway. So fortunately, they can take that shipping with usually no problems. Arrive, get in new soil, it'll be good to go. Okay, just knock some of that old stuff off of there. All right. And if any of you are wondering about the mix that I use, I do have a previous video where I talk about my soil mix. And I always add a little small shake of fertilizer in there just to help them get off to a good start. And then hold the plant above the surface, just kind of filling around it, filling around the roots. Okay. Give it a good tap. Take the stick and poke it a little bit. We want to get the soil down in between the roots well. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Quick and easy. A little bit of a push maybe. Get it held in there. And there we go. One freshly potted Haworthia glauca variation Huri. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but some of these names are kind of hard to pronounce, as we all know. All right, let's move on. Gravel at the bottom to keep the soil from washing out. Okay, who's next? Let's try the attenuata. I'm ready to get this one in a pot. See how it will do. We knock off some of that old soil. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like that one. All right. I usually go about halfway, third of the way maybe. A little shake of fertilizer. Okay. This soil is really gritty, which is what you want. I've got crushed granite in there and some, basically what it is, it's oil dry from a auto parts store, but it's made of clay. So the clay and the crushed granite's actually poultry grit that I got from Tractor Supply. Big 25-pound bag for about say about a little under $9. So real good buy on that. And that adds some grit, makes the water drain pretty quickly, which is what we need with these. We don't want the soil to stay wet. Alright. There we go. One freshly planted attenuata zebra plant. Let's put that over here. Okay, who's next? Let's go with the cuspidata. A bit of gravel. Oh, this one. Gotta get all this old soil off of here. Got a lot of old, dry soil. And get in there and break it up really good. This one really needs to be potted up. It outgrew the little pot it was in a long time ago. Just got to get in there with your, in my case, a chopstick. You can use a skewer, any little pointed stick, and get in there and dig out that old soil, break into the roots really good, because we're going to want those to mesh well with the new soil. Whoops, okay. Soil's very, very dry. Very dry. Try not to disturb it too much, but this is going to disturb it a little bit. It'll be alright. They can take it. They're tough. Their native environment is South Africa. Excuse me. Very dry, rocky soil. Very little nutrients. So they are built to take the abuse, but we don't want to abuse them when we have them. We want to take care of them. Okay, I exposed them, got them spread out some. Open it up a little bit. All right. Let's get this one in its new home. New and improved soil. Hopefully it'll be a lot happier. Last for years to come. Okay. We'll tap. It's important to poke down around it so we can try to get those air pockets out that may be in there. Get the soil down into the roots, in between the roots. So this helps do that. Okay, another tap. Press down just a little. Get a little bit more up there. Yeah, I generally don't top mine off with any sort of dressing. I kind of like the way it looks like that, but dressing's fine too. People use akadama or turfus, some colored stones, pumice. Any of those are fine. They actually look good, but I'm okay with this look. I like that. Okay, that one's planted up, potted up. All right, one more. Let's do this attenuata enon. This one looks like it's ready to go. All right. Okay, a little shake. All right. Okay, get down in there. I'm going to go along with the stick, and that's some pretty big gaps between those roots. So I want to make sure I get down in there and fill them in. Get those gaps filled in. Good. So the roots can have contact with the new soil and start spreading out and growing. So have a happy plant. That's why we do it. We want happy plants. So I need to cover that up a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, hopefully soon that's going to start growing, be big and happy and healthy. Okay, there we go. One Haworthia attenuata E9. Okay guys, I was in the middle of actually telling you about what I'm going to do with this one when an emergency alert popped up on my phone and it stopped the recording, and I didn't realize it. So while I'm talking, it wasn't recording, so I'm going to go back and do this part again. So this one here, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I may plant it as a clump just like this, or I may pull some of the pups off and plant them individually, but right now I'm just not sure. But when I do, I will share it with you, and we'll see what becomes of this clump of Haworthia mirabilis. Okay, but for the time being, I'm just going to set it to the side and work on it later. All right? Let me stop right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here they are. I want you to get a look at how they look when they're all potted up in their own separate pots and how nice they look. Let's get a little close up. Yep. I really like those, and I think the pots are just the right size. I want to show you the mirabilis clump. I took off some of the offsets and potted them up individually and left most of the clump as is and put it in a larger pot. And this is what it looks like. Well, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Goodbye.